When I started here at Miracapo Pizza 12 years ago, I did a lot of cooking. I made the meals at home. I watched Food Network, and I thought, sure, I can help this company with pizzas. I sent our vice president of R&D a long list of product ideas of things that I thought would make really great pizzas. And she very patiently let me know that every single one of those ideas would make a wonderful pizza at home, but there wasn't a single thing there that could be manufactured and brought to market. And that's where I learned that the R&D process for pizzas, and actually for food products in general, is much more involved than just creating a recipe. And so our process here, when we go to develop a new product, it is a long and highly iterative process. We may start with one formulation, but then we're going to go through several different versions to find the right mix of ingredients, to make sure we have ingredients that we can use and procure and take to market, and to make sure that it's a product that we can make and make at a price point that lets it sell in the marketplace. So in order to accomplish that, we have, like a lot of organizations, a large, clunky, overly complex set of Excel spreadsheets. And when we need to come up with a new product and then provide a quote to a customer, it takes several people, a lot of work, and many hours on a spreadsheet in order to get a finished quote.